Hey, we're going to do Neural Milk Hotel, King of Carrot Flowers. I'm going to show it to you three arrangements. So, the first one is kind of more relies on bar chords, and but this is how it's recorded. F. And then there is a little thing they do where they do a quick hit to B flat. That's optional. If you can't manage that while you're singing, or just leave it out. Just play it straight. Okay, that's not really what the song's about. The song's got a beautiful melody. It's got really great lyrics. So that's what makes the songs. Your mom would stick a knife into Daddy's shoulder. Your dad would throw garbage on the floor, and we would lay there learning what other's bodies were for. Oh, oh, oh. All right, so yeah, it's basically a 1 is F. Your 4 is the B flat, and the 5 is C. And it mostly goes in the same motion, the whole song, like F, C, B flat, F, C, B flat. But then at one point, after you do a couple repetitions of it goes counter to that direction, and you're on the B flat and you go back to the C. It's towards the end. Bodies were for. Oh, oh. So I think the verse, in each verse it goes at least 2 times through, and then the third time, that's when you're coming from the C. That's the last line where it does that. And then, all right, so that's the first way to play it, with F to C to B flat. All right, but if we want to play it and we don't want to play bar chords, there's a couple ways we could play it. But I think this is probably the best, because you could also play it in G, or G is the 1 chord. You can play an E minor and get the melody right from the E minor scale, which is right there. But anyways, you don't have to do it that way. The king of carrot flowers. Each other's bodies were for. So it's just G, D, C. That's the quick change that they do. You would just go G, 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 C, G. That's optional. If you can't manage that, just leave it out. And this is the counter. On the last line, it does that little counter rotation, opposite, goes back up to the D. All right, so that's the second way to play it. The third way to play it, you could move it to the key of D. So D is now the 1. A is the 5. G is the 4. What are some And Mom would drink all day until she could no longer speak. And Dad would dream of different ways to die. Each way less than he would try. So, D. So if you want to do the quick change on that, you got to go to the G. And then that counterclockwise, the counter motion is to the A, back to the A. Are you coming from the D? Back to the A. The nice thing about this is you can do you can get some melody notes while you're strumming just by playing like some of these sus chords. Okay, mess around with that. Maybe you can do like a chord melody thing. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.